Tap the vehicle icon on the center display. Select Driving Assistance, turning on Rearward Collision Warning. When the vehicle is traveling with the Rearward Collision Warning function turned on, if the system detects the risk of rearward collision, it will alert the driver through sound and visual signals and turn on the hazard warning lights to remind the drivers in the rear vehicle to brake. When the vehicle is stationary and if there is a risk of rearward collision which cannot be avoided, the system will automatically brake to avoid secondary collisions and reduce injury to the driver and passengers. Rearward collision warning can detect a motor vehicle, electric bikes and motorcycles, etc. In the following cases, rearward collision warning may not work properly. Rearward collision warning is an aid only. The driver is always responsible for driving safely.